go the life at a party. They go the life at a party. They go the life at a party. Soon as I walk in the room, they be like. They go the life at a party. Soon as I walk in the room, they be like.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Beat, and I am back with another video. Every Wednesday in the month of August, I will be doing cooking videos, okay? And you guys love my mac and cheese so freaking much. This week, I am making chicken and shrimp Alfredo. So we're about to just jump right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, so for today's ingredients, you're going to need your seasonings, right? I always let you guys know what seasonings I'm using. You're going to need your salt, seasoned salt, pepper. You're going to need your garlic powder, your onion powder, Parmesan cheese to top off your chicken Alfredo. You're going to need 2 Ragu cans of the roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. I'm all about making it easier, so yeah. You're going to need a pack of, a box of fettuccine, and then I'm going to put garlic bread on the side. And the amazing ingredients, you're going to need your chicken. I use 3 boneless chicken breasts chopped, and then I got a pound of deveined shrimp ready to go. Now, John doesn't eat shrimp, so the shrimp is going to be on the side because I know some of you guys out there love shrimp like I do. And we're going to just jump right into it, alright? Peace! Alright, y'all, so first what we're going to do, since this is already chopped and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and, we already have our water over there boiling, so we're going to go ahead and cook our noodles. I'm going to go ahead and start on the sauteing of the chicken. I'm going to do the shrimp last because, as we know, shrimp, it takes like 2 to 3 minutes max to cook. It doesn't take that long at all. So we're going to do the shrimp last. You guys are going to see me make my sauce, and we're going to go from there. I'll see you over by the stove. Peace. Alright, guys, so we are over by the stove, and what we're going to do is go ahead and get our noodles in. As you can see, the water is actually already boiling. So we're going to get those in really quick. So once you get the noodles in the pot, those are going to be done. We're going to consistently stir those over the time that we're cooking the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start off by cooking the chicken. You're going to need about a tablespoon of your oil. That's a little more than a tablespoon, but we're going to go with it. Okay? Alright, so once that is on, I got the grease. Remember, I have an electric stove, so my eye is a little higher than if you were to have a gas stove. Right now on my electric stove, I had it at about between 7 and 8 because I'm going to saute my chicken. Yum, 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 yum. Shout out to Courtney for being behind the camera today. Alright, so once you get it in there, remember we're going to start seasoning with the seasonings that I told you about. So once we get this done, we're going to go ahead and start pouring in our Alfredo sauce. We're going to season it to taste. I'm going to check on the noodles, and then we're going to start cooking the shrimp. Alright? Peace! Gotta use 2 hands in the kitchen, people! Alright, y'all, so once the chicken starts to look in a little something like this, that means it's time to go ahead and start adding our Alfredo sauce into the pan. No need to rinse your chicken because we want all those good flavors that's rubbing off in the chicken in the first place, you know? Alright, y'all, so once we get the sauce in there, we're going to go ahead and doctor it up like so. You can turn down the oven as well. I'm adding just a tad bit of salt, a tad bit of pepper, maybe a lot, and then I'm adding garlic powder. I'm going to stir that around, and while this is simmering, as I turn down the oven, we're going to go ahead and get our noodles off the stove. The noodles cook for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so while that is doing that, it looks like our timer just went off for our garlic bread. Alright y'all, so once we get our sauce simmering, which is over here simmering right now, as you saw in the previous clip, I went ahead and drained the pasta, and I also rinsed my pasta out. I'm not sure if anybody else do that, but I always rinse my pasta out because I don't want it to be all sticky and gooey. Comment down below if you rinse your pasta or, you know, stuff like that when you're cooking as well. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on the sauteing of the shrimp. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start mixing in our noodles with the chicken Alfredo sauce. Remember, the shrimp is still cooking over here. We're going to put that on the side because my husband does not eat seafood. In fact, he's allergic, which is crazy, right? So we're going to go ahead and start mixing this, and I'll get back with y'all. Y'all, so I forgot the most important ingredient. Broccoli, shrimp, and chicken Alfredo with broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and start putting this into, I'm actually glad I caught it because this is about the time it goes in there once your vegetables are thawed out anyway. So you want to go ahead and start cooking that in here, like so. Not cooking, guys, putting that in here. Y'all got to catch me when I be saying crazy stuff, y'all. I do not be trying to. I be rewatching these videos, and I be saying some off-the-wall stuff sometimes. So you want to go ahead and get that cooking up in here as well. We're going to simmer this down and let the broccoli cook. And while we're still waiting on our shrimp, we're almost done. We'll catch you in a minute. So once you get the broccoli in there, you're going to go ahead and let that simmer until the broccoli is cooked completely. Our shrimp is still on the side. Once that gets done, I'll meet you guys back on the other side, letting you know how it looks and how it tastes and all that good stuff. Shout out to Courtney for recording for me. Unfortunately, she's about to leave, so I gotta take over. So once we get this done, I'll go ahead and get back on the other side and show you guys what it looks like. Peace. Well guys, there you have it. This is your chicken, shrimp, and broccoli fettuccine. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, there's 2 more weeks in August, so I'll be cooking something else next week and something else after that. Drop down your suggestions below, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Alright y'all, so we're about to go ahead and start mixing in our noodles with the sauce. Remember, the shrimp is still cooking over here to the right. The shrimp is still cooking. Dang, Courtney! I'm gonna start over.